Established multi-service mechanical workshop, Taylors Beach, New South Wales. This is the only mechanical workshop in the Port Stephens region offering automotive, motorcycle, ATV and PWC servicing under one roof. Operating from a huge purpose-built workshop, Port Performance has been tightly held by the owner since opening in 2011. Port Performance combines genuine tri-service capability, established systems, and a substantial asset base. This trusted business services the region's strong automotive and personal watercraft market. With consistent demand from locals, enthusiasts, and visitors, this is an unmissable turnkey opportunity. It is perfect for a qualified mechanic or existing operator seeking a highly differentiated business in a lifestyle location. With its strong brand recognition and experienced staff in place, the business would also suit an investor. Well positioned near major growth corridors and Newcastle Airport, the business has an established website and online presence. Further growth opportunities exist through digital marketing, fleet servicing, additional technicians, and more.